Hi, today I'm going to talk about Arduino. So what is Arduino? Many people says that Arduino is a microcontroller, but technically it is a circuit board that have microcontrollers on them. It is very useful for many projects such as blinking LED, dim LED, or also can make basic robots. So there are many varieties of them and each have some special advantages. If you're talking about Arduino, then you should talking about Arduino Uno. Arduino itself is open source, so you can check it out. Arduino is a company in Italy that produce some very nice types of Arduino models. You can buy it from them around $20, or you can also buy from the third party who sells them in cheap. But I will recommend to buy a kit. I made a separate video of unboxing my kit that I brought from AliExpress for about $20. Arduino is easy to use and have its own software. It is supported for Windows, Linux and Mac. You have just to download the file and say yes for few drivers. When it downloaded and installed, then you can connect to Arduino to the computer via USB. The software has code that calls sketches, and that's the fancy name of it, and that makes Arduino good for beginners. So enough about software. Let's talk about the hardware. I have provided links in the description bar for suitable things to check. In the hardware part contains several parts such as this Atmega 3208P as the brain of Arduino Uno. It could in form of SMD or DIP socket. It is made by a company named Atmel. You can buy bare chips for $1, but then you have to do a lot of soldering. It has 14 digital /input/output/analog pins. All pins are labeled in front of them. Some of them have a tilted line in front of them. Those pins are PWM output pins. If you do not know what about PWM, then I will publish a separate video about it. It has 6 analog input pins. Those are labeled as A0 to A5, and at last the power pin connected to 5 volts, 3.3 volts, 2 ground pins, and a voltage input pin. You can power the Arduino board from your computer via USB and also can program through it. It also have a jack where you can plug 7 to 12 volts, also power 5 volts from 5 volt pin in the power section, and also 7 to 12 volts from voltage in pin also in the power section. Just keep in mind that whatever you connect is not exceed few milliamps. Few LEDs is okay, but a large motor is Arduino. So hope you guys like it. If so, then give me a thumbs up and share to your friends, and I will see you next time.